Merry Christmas. Today is December, or at least when I'm releasing this, is December 25th. And I want to take a moment to give a huge shout out and a huge thank you to 519 Culture, who provided Square and Compass Promotions with a lot of, this year, last year, have provided us with gift packages containing local products from in and around Windsor and Essex. And they did this for us last year, and we did an unboxing video at Christmas. So I guess we're going to do it one more time. This is not an unbox, this, I guess, an unbagging video, just talking about all the awesome gifts that 519 Culture got for us that we've been able to provide to our friends and our supporters. We have got Cedar Valley pita chips. Very cool local product, local company. Some chocolate, a milk chocolate bar. And I got to be very careful I don't break this because I am a little bit clumsy. But a Christmas ornament. They also included information about themselves. Make sure to check them out. They are a really amazing company. He's a really great person. They also were kind enough to create this beautiful packaging for us. So thank you so much. Merry Christmas, and thank you, 519 Culture.